Okay, back with another video. Alright, we had to do this in sections due to memory-wise. So, my dad is working on the system. He's taking, Dad, explain what you're doing exactly.
The lock.
So, he's unlocking
the bottom is not sticking out, so when you stick it into the clip, it won't stay in.
The camera's distorted. Alright, we're back. Alright, sorry about that. We had technical difficulties with camera systems, so give it a sec. So my dad is unlocking the connector.
I'm trying to push the lock back out so we can put the harness back together, put it back in the connector.
Okay, sorry. What my dad said was, what we're trying to do is push the lock back out so we can put the connector back into the harness. So, basically, what was wrong with the mirror was the blinker quit. The blinker. So, we're, from a couple times, we're going to try to do a little miscellaneous here.
I can't get a hold of it.
So, basically, this right here is your big, harness. This is a big splitter. This is what they call a splitter. And they have to be custom. You cannot just buy these anywhere. Usually. You can't just buy these anywhere. They usually have to be made. Especially, you can buy these at an auto parts store, usually. Usually the connectors, pieces, you can buy at an auto parts store. But we stock up on them because we use them all the time on repairs like this. So, Dad, explain how much the connectors are. How much they run about.
Depends where you get them.
Like, in general.
In general, I don't know. It depends where you get them from.
Well, technically, that connector, some of them can get corroded. And I will be coming at a different angle when I return. Okay, guys, we're back. So, right now, I'm getting in position for the next, so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So this is your ground cable for your antenna. Yeah, so this is your grounding, and that's your antenna system.
The wire stuff.
So, on average...
Why are you stepping on my stuff?
I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
So,
I need the red piece.
What red piece?
Okay. So, usually, so this is the mirror that was malfunctioning. Okay, so the blinker in the mirror, the arrow was not lighting up. So, and you were supposed to have that light up. So, that is a manual moving mirror, which both are heated. This is the original.
I don't know where you get
this is a square. This is the major electric mirror. And the one to the outer side, I think I got this upside down. But when we assemble this, there will be a separate video how to install it for in case of replacement or just to be repaired. But this is the mirror. This is the light that you have to take out first. Usually you can use a screwdriver to push these pins down and wiggle it out.
You gotta squeeze these clips.
You gotta
use a hook,